Okay, question 1, we are graphing a tangent function. So we're going to use things to stretch and move, and then let's see where we're at here. So I'm going to write the general form. So we have a tangent of bx minus c plus d. I'm going to identify everything. So a is 2.5, b is 2, c is 0, and d is 0. Because it's just 2x and there's nothing out front. So when I go through everything, I'm going to start with my period. That's my red dot. And when we have a tangent function, the period is equal to pi over the absolute value of b. So b is 2, so our period is pi halves. So that means that I'm going to move this in to pi halves, and that means I have, asymptote to asymptote is pi halves. That's the period. So see how I have a blue dot to a red dot? Or I could look asymptote to asymptote. That's also the length of pi halves. All right, so our next thing is our amplitude, but it's not amplitude this time. When we have a tangent, it's called a stretch. So the stretch is equal to the absolute value of a, which is just 2.5. And so what we do is we take this yellow one, and I'm going to stretch it up to 2.5. So it's not an amplitude now, it's a stretch. So this is going all the way up to 2.5. And then I would look at my shifts. So C and D help me determine my vertical and horizontal shift. The phase shift is horizontal, D is vertical. But since there's 0, nothing else has moved. So there's no shift, and that's my answer.